Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Urban Decay 3 Eyeshadow Palette, and right now I am putting a primer, which is the Milani Eyeshadow Primer in Nude. I'm actually just applying it to my arm just so that you can see the pigment comparison between a primed piece of skin versus a non-primed piece of skin and see what the difference is. A little bit about this product. You can experiment with 12 never before seen and insanely beautiful rose-hued neutrals from Urban Decay, from pale shimmery pink to a deep black matte and a red micro glitter. These neutrals make you never want to go naked all over again. Oh, it'll make you want to go get naked all over again. Urban Decay's previous nude naked palettes have always been focused on new shades. This is the first time the naked palettes, Urban Decay's pigment with 12 shades that aren't available anywhere else. Choose every finish imaginable, ultra smooth mattes, gorgeous pearls, and glimmering metallics. Urban Decay's Pigment Infusion System and proprietary blend of ingredients that gives each shade a velvety texture, rich color, serious staying power, and blendability. So it's cruelty-free, which we like, and that's a happy thing. Bunnies are happy. I'm happy. So it comes with a brush, and I'm going to start with the lightest color, which is called Strange. And you can see this is the side that I have put, what do you call it, primer on. So you can see that it comes out brighter. This one is called Dust. See, that looks a lot nicer than that. That just kind of is, probably should have done this on my inside wrist, but oh well. This is called Burnout. See how it comes through so much nicer with the primer. And if you don't want to use the Milani primer, use an under eye concealer or use your favorite eye primer. This one is called Limit. This one is called Jazz. You can see how much brighter it comes up on that side. This one is called Trick, which is really pretty. This is Nooner. This is a matte. You can definitely see that the primer helps a lot. This one is called Liar. Much more pigment. This one's called Factory. Once again, much nice, smoother application. The next one is called Mugshot. These are all things a lot of these things we don't want. So this is without it, this is with it. I'm really giving it a chance because I'm starting here to give it the pigment boost, but it really does stay a lot longer on your arm when you use the primer. So then we've got Dark Side, which I think is just a black. It's black, but it has a little bit of blue and purple in it. So it's not like a straight up jet black, which is nice. And the last one, which is Black Heart. I'm gonna try this real quick. This one is a black sparkly, so that's a really nice one for the corner when you're doing your smoky eye. So there they are. There are all the 12 colors in the Urban Decay 3 palette. They all look gorgeous, but you can tell, see, the not primed didn't show up except for in this color and this color very well, but with the primer it shows up pretty amazing. So don't take my word for it, try it yourself, and thanks again so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.